Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I took apart the jets off the carburetor from the stock Sanji dirt bike, cleaned them all out with the air compressor, and I sprayed some carburetor cleaner, cleaned everything up, and put it back together, and see if it starts up. So when you clean the carburetor, you always want to, get every hole nice and clean. You got the jets. Make sure that's nice and clean. You can see right through that. You also got the other one. So now, put everything back together. We'll see what happens. Okay, so that's the Bakuni carburetor. All I did was take off the 2 bolts. And you unscrew this part. You take off the fuel line, plug it into that one. Real easy to do.
Yeah, buddy.